Hey everyone, Training Specialist Joe Pittman here, and we're going to walk through how to add a classroom in Kuder Galaxy. Make sure you're on a classroom page. We'll click on Add Classroom. From here, we can add our classroom details. Let's start by typing the name of our classroom. You can use whichever naming convention is best for your district. For this tutorial, I'm going to call this particular classroom Grade 3 Class C. Then, you'll have the option of adding a teacher or counselor you want associated with that classroom. You want to make sure that that person has an account before assigning to the classroom. Check out my other tutorial on how to set them up with an account by clicking the link in the description. For this class, our teacher is Miss Rodriguez, so I'll go ahead and type her first and last name into the field, and then select her when I see her name. Once you've filled out both fields, hit the Save button. To continue adding classrooms, hit the Back button, and then repeat the process. Okay guys, that's it for this tutorial. As always, thanks for watching, and if you want to see more helpful tutorials, hit the subscribe button or follow us on social for more awesome content.